Yes, students. Next in our deduction chapter, we have seen 80C, 80CCC and double CD, and of course 80CCG related investment. Now we'll come to the group of medical treatment or premia paid towards medical insurance policies. 80D, double D and double DB related to this. You please memorize this in a different way. 80C related to your savings of LIC or etc. 80CCC double CD related to pension. 80CCG related to your investment in specified schemes. Now 80D, double D and double DB related to your medical related. First let us take 80D. Life Insurance Corporation or some specified institutions will specifically float a different policies where regularly you have to pay premium, and against the premium if any accident or illness or some other disease is going to happen to any of the assessees or any of the person, they are going to reimburse that amount based on the terms of the policy. Now coming back to the examination point of view, if any medical premium is paid, then they are eligible to claim deduction. Very simple. Let us say some medical insurance policy is being taken by an assessee and is paying some premium on that. That premium he can claim here under section 80D. 80D. Now, what are the conditions? Number one, on whose name it can be taken. See, it can be taken naturally on his own name or on the name of spouse, that is wife or husband accordingly. Children, done. Additionally, it can be taken on parents' name also. Parents' name also. So, the point is that 80D deduction he can claim not only wife or husband or children, it can be taken on dependents, of course parents also. Who are not covered? Father-in-law? No. Mother-in-law? No. Only parents are covered here. Now, not only premium, sometimes to have medical health checkup, you have to incur expenditure. So both are covered here. Number one, either the premium paid or the expenditure incurred for medical checkup. What is important here is that there cannot be cash payment, but this cash payment is restricted only for payment of premium. I repeat, you can pay premium and claim deduction. You can incur medical health checkup expenditure and claim deduction. But in case of premium, you cannot pay cash. But in case of health checkup, you can pay cash. Now what is the limit? General deduction is 25,000 rupees, and of course for medical health checkup, you can add another 5,000, putting both, the maximum limit is 30,000 rupees. So general 25,000 and 5,000 is towards your medical health checkup expenditures. And if he is a super senior citizen, and you cannot take any policy on his name, because normally the insurance companies will not accept the policies for the people who are aged about more than 60 years. So if you incur any expenditure on super citizen names, it is allowed to the extent of 30,000 rupees. And of course, because it is medical health expenditure, you can pay that in cash also. Let us summarize. Number one, medical insurance premium paid is allowed, or medical health checkup expenditure is allowed. Premium cannot be paid in cash. Health checkup expenses can be paid in cash. 25,000 for premium, 5,000 for medical health checkup expenditure, putting together maximum 30,000. For super senior citizen, 30,000 only towards medical health expenditure. Now, in examination, the important point is that he will be looking at dependent. Father and mother is also allowed here. Remember, 80C, it is not allowed, but here it is allowed. I will give a comparative session where you should be cautious about this. In examination, he will be only asking this. Let us say, you will say that on the name of the father-in-law who is dependent on him, he has paid the premium. It is not allowed because he is not covered here. On the name of the parent who is dependent on him, he paid premium. Yes, it is allowed. That is important. Now, in all the income tax law, senior citizen and super senior citizen, you will be getting two words. Who is a senior citizen? At least 60 and above. Who is super senior citizen? At least 80 and above. So that is important examination. So if it is 60 also, yes, you can call him as a senior citizen. If he is 80 also, you can call him as a super senior citizen. These are the minute aspects which is the testing in the examination. So this is related to story of the 80D. All the best.